I lived on Facebook surprisingly. Come on, film.
Alright. So this is 100 chicken nuggets.
Hopefully that's gonna throw it at him.
Yeah.
I look like a bitch eating these. I have to eat faster.
You do look like a bitch eating them. How's your chicken nuggets?
You gotta go Goku status.
No, stop pointing at me. No, I'm like, quit.
Dude, yeah, like put them all together. No, you have to go like this. Be a man.
No, I'm switching off.
Oh, this is gonna taste bad. All of them. What's the best one?
Which one's honey mustard?
The yellow one.
Is it good?
It's alright. Oh, you're almost done with your first box.
Yeah, I was going fast, so I was like,
I'm pacing myself. I'm like, fuck this, dude.
Wait, almost finished. I got more than you. You got 4, I got 5.
Oh.
I was trying to open these though. I'm not eating a honey mustard again.
Well, I'm good now?
I got 10 down.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
There you go.
It's kind of hot. So I can't eat it that bad.
That facial. You went cross-eyed.
Where's the napkins? We don't need
Wait,
napkins.
yeah, fuck napkins.
Dude, we are at
Where
100
napkin?
chicken
Here's my
nuggets.
napkin.
We're at 100 chicken nuggets.
Here's my napkin,
Napkins
look.
are the least of our problems. Confronting diabetes and high blood pressure.
I like how I go, can I get 100 chicken nuggets? She's like, okay, like with a huge ass smile on her face. And I go, in a small drink.
No, she's like, are you?
It's a small diet drink.
You mean it?
Hey, Diet Coke, I'm trying to save my weight. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, ranch
Where?
isn't that great.
Dip your juicy chicken nuggets in the cool taste of creamy ranch sauce.
Alright, it's right here. You want some?
Alright. Where was the one that sounded really dirty? The cups?
Yes. All these are gross, but I only like the barbecue. It's sweet and sour.
Oh, barbecue is the only good one. Ranch is okay, but how's Chipotle? Oh yeah, you don't have sweet and sour on.
Oh, I don't have this one.
Oh.
No, you have that one.
Yeah, you.
Oh, I know that one's.
I got a brand new pair of roller skates. You got a brand new key.
Alright.
Stupid idea.
Now you have to eat those regurgitated chicken nuggets. Why'd you try to just shove them in your mouth?
Because it was impressive. It just shows dominance.
But it failed miserably, so now you just look like a bitch.
Yeah, but you didn't have that on camera.
Yeah, I know. That would have been way better.
I'll do it later.
Regurgitated chicken nuggets. I'll do it when I'm down to like 4.
That's what I was down to.
Ugh.
Yeah.
I'm starting to feel it.
I don't know about that one. I'm just gonna use barbecue sauce.
Yeah, barbecue's the best.
It's a lot easier if you go sauceless.
Man, I ate chips. Okay.
This was a stupid idea.
I did about 17 so far.
How many packs you guys left? 2 packs left?
Mine.
a little bit
Well, we just decided to do about
yeah.
25 each. So.
I feel terrible. Physically and mentally.
Getting tired?
I'm depressed now.
like you're explode.
You're sad?
I'm depressed.
You went faster than all of us.
Exactly. That's why I'm depressed.
Now you just gotta sit here and wait while like we just
You
eat.
drank my water again.
Go.
Go refill it. Go get undepressed and he's sick.
Yeah, and he's sick.
Forgot about that.
Now he's gonna regurgitate your water.
Oh.
At least that time he ate it in your face. At least he drank it.
I completely forgot
it.
about that.
Fuck.
After you ate 25 nuggets.
Give me money. Pay for
Oh my
getting
god,
me
there's
sick.
so much to laugh.
Yeah, haha.
I need to get a refill.
I'm laugh now.
I'll be back.
Hey, refill my water.
But he's sick.
Oh, you should have got your own damn cup. Now you're gonna get sick because I'm
Yeah,
gonna
fuck
drink
it.
out yours.
Dr. Pepper, taste of originality.
Do you feel like puking?
You feel like puking?
No, I feel physically
You
terrible.
fucking asshole.
I feel physically bad. Like,
Oh, you're almost done.
no, he's not.
Oh shit, you're fucked. do it.
I was doing that at the beginning. I'm gonna feel. Okay.
That's what she said.
Give me back my water. I left it over there.
He put it all the way over there. Someone's like really possessive. I'm fitting. When are you gonna puke?
He's missing so much stuff. He's gonna puke. Hey, pass me that, please. No.
Do it.
Why am I holding this? Here.
Oh,
I'm not even enjoying this.
you're not even enjoying it anymore.
Stupid idea.
I told you it was a terrible idea.
Yeah, but you guys were down. You said you were tempted, so you're like, fuck it. You owe me $5, by the way.
I want to eat
I ate
20.
the whole thing.
I want
I
to
ate
eat
them at a
20.
free meal.
I wanted to eat 20. And this,
It's 25.
exactly. Do that to someone. If you can eat all 50 of these, you don't have to pay.
That would be genius.
Do it to Adam. That'd be funny. They'll probably be like, I could do it.
We all eat the cardboard too.
Yeah, because everybody has that one person.
Taught me. My sensei-
Everybody has that one person who just
Cardboard.
thinks they can do everything.
Because my sensei
no,
taught me how to
he said
Jared,
he could eat a lot.
My sensei taught me how to eat cardboard, so I can do it.
Do it. Take a bite.
No, I was thinking Adam.
No, take a bite.
Thinking Adam.
No, take a bite.
I'm gonna see that.
Yeah, he's gonna see this. I'm putting this on Facebook too. You're like, I hate
You
you.
said it first.
So what? At least I didn't throw up in his car. I just realized, don't throw up when you get home.
I'll do that part about it.
You're thinking about throwing up when you get home? Oh my god.
If anything, I'll throw it over here.
I don't want this anymore.
Nope, you gotta do it.
I know.
I dip it. How's this instinct? Yeah, you saw it shoot for me.
Why? I'm almost there.
Dipping in the
How
different
many more
ones.
you got left?
He's got these.
Oh, you got another set?
No, never mind.
I'm gonna leave one.
You know what? Check Eric's pockets, because I have a feeling like he just low-key put it in his pockets.
Hey, Jared,
Put
Jared.
chicken nugget in my pocket.
I'm almost there. I'll do 4.
I'll do 3.
You're all done.
No.
So it's just me and Jason. Yeah, you saw Eric. That was 4, and he was like regurgitating. I wish I hit that.
This, I got 3 in my mouth, and I like a little bit more, and I couldn't keep it. I almost felt like you were telling us.
I don't want to move.
You gotta walk home.
I'm disappointed in myself.
You just realized you gotta walk home.
I haven't eaten McDonald's food in so long.
Neither have I.
And now I just ruined it.
This is
by
the first time I've eaten it in
eating
weeks.
25.
Yeah.
I haven't eaten it like in a month or more or longer.
Next time we come here, we should just get a Happy Meal.
I would never come
Not
here
never.
again.
You should never come in here again. All right, next
Maybe
time.
for a drink. That's what I get.
Next time we're going to Taco Bell,
I
and
knew
we're
I
gonna get
would-
like 20 20
I
tacos.
knew I wouldn't like this.
You're almost gonna get 3 more.
Yeah. Fuck you. I'm gonna throw this at you. You better eat.
Alright. I'm gonna go for the 4.
Shove it in your mouth.
I did the same.
You can't do it. Don't try.
You can, but you can't. See? Don't do it.
Hey,
It's
Jared.
the
Just
taste.
stay at the 3.
Jared, you're a pimple.
Oh, purple.
I got distracted and went down a little.
Yeah, your amazing shirt. It comes out of his
It's not that
nose.
funny. It's not that funny. Stop.
Jared, you get chicken out of your nose.
Okay. It's not that funny.
Oh, God.
I'm trying, Jerry. I'm trying.
I can't do it.
I eat that now.
Just regurgitate chicken nuggets.
Not eat it.
Eat it. Now you eat it. Eat it.
Oh my God.
Eat
I'm not watching
Eat
you
it.
do it.
Eat it. I'd eat it, but I'm not.
Dude.
I thought he did.
Oh no.
Since you're not gonna do it, I'm not gonna do it.
No,
No.
no, I gotta finish it.
You better.
Go.
I'm waiting for him to finish it.
I need a fork.
Don't aim at me when
No,
you
just
gag.
scoop it with your hands, like.
I tried. I was like,
No.
No, you
From
go-
there.
No, you just
I can't
get,
stop thinking about